In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover deleted YouTube videos. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The first and the best way I'm going to recommend you is going to be by using a tool called Wayback Machine. So simply go to any browser that you prefer using and search for Wayback Machine, just like that. And click on the first link, which is going to be web.archive.org. And this is an initiative on the Internet Archive. So it basically has all the things that was ever posted on the internet. So you can search for any URL and you will most probably go ahead and find it here. So as you can see, you can check for it according to the calendar. So all the items saved is between 2005 April 8 to March 5, 2026. So you can go ahead and look for your videos on any particular date right over here. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next.